The structure of the Earth. The Earth is made up of many layers. Deep in the center we have the inner core. It's a heavy, solid ball of metal, and it is extremely hot. Surrounding the inner core is the outer core. This layer is made of liquid, hot metal. The next layer is the mantle. This is the Earth's thickest layer. It is made of molten rock, which is hot liquefied rock just like lava. It is lighter than the liquid metal in the outer core, which is why we find it on top. The outermost layer of Earth is the crust. This is the layer we live on and where you'll find the oceans and continents. Compared to the other layers, it is very thin. Let's do a group activity to show the different layers of the Earth and discuss the differences between them. We're going to put Earth in a cup. First, what you'll need: a clear plastic cup, a measuring spoon, and something to write on the cup with. For the inner core, we'll need something solid. You can use plasticine, clay, or blue tack. For the outer core, you can use rice or lentils, or any small heavy beans. For the mantle, you can use puffy cereals or oats. Whatever you choose must be lighter than the materials for the outer core. And for the crust, you can use cut up pieces of fabric or paper. We're looking for you to demonstrate the different thicknesses of Earth's layers using different materials. And we are learning to describe Earth's different layers. Let's begin by drawing lines on the cup to show how thick the layers are compared to each other. Next, take some plasticine to fill the bottom of the cup. This is going to be our inner core. How thick do you think it should be? Next, fill your cup with materials for the outer core. We're using lentils in the first cup. For the second cup, we're using rice. Try and use materials with different colors. You'll be better able to see the layers afterwards. Next, fill your mantle. We're using oats for the first cup. For the second cup, we're using a puffy cereal. For our last layer, we're using fabric in our first cup. And paper for our second cup. These layers represent the crust, the thin outside layer we live on. If you're working with friends, compare your cups with each other. If you're using different materials, how different do they look? If you press down on the layers in your cup, do the materials mix? Just like real Earth, the heavier materials deep in Earth let lighter materials sit comfortably on top. Congratulations! You just made and described a representation of Earth in a cup.